Hey, what's up, everyone? Yep. So today we will talk about the website where you can learn, the courses like Epic, VFX courses. So it's a website. It's a Rebelway.net where you can have the courses certification if you are good at like editing and you want to be a feature VFX you know beer. So this website is good for you, so you can check all those movies, like these movies, how they're operating, so you can have find the course first of all. So there are three sections you can find, uh, just like this. My internet is a little bit slow, so here are the no, I will go for the certifications first. Like what certifications they are giving, so that like VFX certifications, and they have the the one of the greatest salaries across US, Canada, and UK, so you can get your career skilled. Composing Node certification. There are Unreal Engine Essential certification. The certification is about great to anyone looking for the world of gaming effects. So yeah, it's a gaming, one of the it's the biggest deal in core certification, gaming effects art certification, and this also water effects certification. Like you will be learning the realistic effects using latest technologies. You can, as you can see from Rebelway, by the end you will be able to create realistic water by film of the project. So yeah, and there are the advanced certification like Hollywood FX certification and technical direct certification and much more you can find. So you can check out this. I want to be like what you want to be. You can get all the things done from scratch as well. So let me tell. So here are all the you, if you have like a company, you can hire, get the price in bulk. You can even hire, if you're a company, you can hire the students of FX, and you can see even the jobs as well. So how you can see the video tutorials, free project files, blog, and everything. And about us, you can find instructors as well, like what instructors are teaching these effects. No like Here you can see there's a guy, Jason Slaber, the effects supervisor, and these are the movies that he has done. I mean, it's a great deal if you're learning from a good supervisor. And you can check out the flip. This is technical lead for the Lion King and Avatar, Godzilla, and much more. And yep, Aaron Smith, senior Howdy TD, and much more. Wow, this is great. So I will definitely ask someone to learn from the such supervisors. So yeah, and you can see, check out the free lessons as well. If you want to learn a little bit for the free, and you can start learning, just to write your name, email, and what skills level you have. So yeah, if you guys want to build a career in the effects, so this website is for you. To subscribe my channel, and yeah, keep updated.